What is a federal DUI case? If you've recently been arrested on a military base here in San Diego County and you have questions regarding a federal DUI, stick around. I think you're going to like this video. My name is Dodd. I've been a criminal defense attorney here in San Diego County since 2004. My firm is Dodd Law. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel so we can help educate the public. Today we're going to talk about a federal DUI. Now, we get a lot of federal DUIs here in San Diego County because we have so many military bases. Now, the standard case goes like this. You're on a military base, you get pulled over, and you get it driving under the influence, and the military police take over. They give you a citation, and you have to appear in court at some future date at the federal courthouse downtown San Diego on Broadway. Now, when they give you the citation, they don't give you the court date right away. You're going to get something in the mail that tells you when your court date is. If you hire an attorney, your attorney will follow up with the federal courthouse every few weeks until we actually get a court date. Now, how does a federal DUI work? Now, to be honest with you, a federal DUI, the punishment is much less severe than if you would have got a civilian DUI. So what happens is if you're in the military and you pick up a DUI on base, there's a very high probability that you're also going to go through the non-judicial proceeding process, the NJP process, and there's a very high likelihood that you will be NJP'd. They will take away rank, they will take away pay. So typically what happens is you will get those NJP documentations and you will give it to your attorney, and your attorney will show up to the federal courthouse on the day of your court, give it to the U.S. attorney, and there's a very strong likelihood that your case will get dismissed if you've been NJP'd on the military side. It's not guaranteed, it's all fact specific, but it's very likely. And that's if you're in the military, you pick up a DUI on military base, you got NJP'd, and your attorney will have a chance then to get your military federal DUI case dismissed. Now, what happens if you're not in the military? We get a lot of the military husbands, military wives that are on base, and they get a DUI, and they want to know, well, what's going to happen? Now, typically, what's going to happen on a DUI if you're on base and you're not in the military, we would start you on some mitigation, some AA classes, some therapy, counseling, and we were going to go to court and we're going to present that to the prosecutor in hopes that the prosecutor can continue the case out for a few months, give you an opportunity to complete more classes and programs, and then come back and we can try to get the case dismissed. Now, it's a lot more difficult to try to get a case dismissed on a military base when you're not in the military, because you're going to get NJP'd in the military and the prosecutor is going to consider that you were already punished. That's why we have a better chance to get the case dismissed in federal court. When you're not in the military, you don't go through the NJP proceedings, so the prosecution is less inclined to just dismiss your case. Always get an attorney if you've been arrested or cited on a federal base so we can try to get you the best outcome. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Let's help educate the public. Have a great day.